Your camera is merely a tool. That's all it is. And it interprets what you've seen. You make all the decisions to make an image. Your camera doesn't decide anything unless you leave the settings on automatic. Remember this, and also remember that you, yes, you are smarter than your camera. If you set your camera to overexpose, well, it will overexpose. The same is true for underexposure. You also set the white balance, and you are the one who decides how much or how little of a scene is captured in your frame. You are in complete charge of each and every photograph that you take. Remember to always look around you to be sure that you've not missed the ideal shot, and also look behind you. I can't tell you how many fantastic photos I've missed by forgetting to look behind me. So take your blinders off and look around. If you're not comfortable or just not capturing the photo you envisioned, don't take the photo. Why is this? Well, no image is better than a bad image. And while I'm at it, forget the LCD screen on the back of your camera. Forget it exists. Now, if you have a DSLR, there's a bombshell for you, and you're thinking, well, it's there, why shouldn't I use it? Well, there are some good reasons. First, the screen is highly inaccurate. So let me ask you, how many times have you taken a photo and you look at the LCD screen and it looks perfect? It always looks perfect, right? Well, then you get it to your computer, you upload your images, and sometimes they're blurry, right? My best advice to you is never, ever trust the LCD. A second reason you don't want to use the LCD is because it affects your composition. Your camera has a viewfinder. Use this viewfinder to compose each and every shot that you take. As an exercise, take a few photos using the LCD and then take a few photos of the very same scene looking through your viewfinder. See how the composition compares, and photograph a scene that you've never photographed before when you do this exercise, because it will really help you to see the difference between looking at the screen and looking through your viewfinder. So there you have it. You are smarter than your camera. You're the one who makes all of the decisions. And ultimately, you are the creator of the photograph and not your camera. Your camera is merely a tool that allows you to do this.